Meet Alina and Marcus, a married couple, combined household income of $118,000. For years, they filed taxes the way most people do, W-2 income, standard deduction, no real strategy. Last year, their accountant walked them through 10 completely legal moves. This year's return sheltered over $22,000 from taxation, using accounts and elections that existed the entire time. They simply had never activated them. None of what follows is a gray area loophole or an aggressive audit risk. Every single item below is written directly into the U.S. tax code and used openly by accountants for clients at every income level. The full list with what it's actually worth. Number 1, the 401k employer match. If an employer matches 4% of salary, contributing that 4% captures a guaranteed 100% return before the market does anything. On Alina's $65,000 salary, a 4% match is $2,600 a year in money she never earned and never paid tax on going in. Number 2, the Roth IRA. $7,000 in 2025 per person, growing completely tax-free forever. For Alina and Marcus combined, $14,000 sheltered, with the IRS never touching the growth on withdrawal in retirement. Number 3, the HSA Triple Tax Advantage. For anyone on a high-deductible health plan, an HSA is deductible going in, grows tax-free, and comes out tax-free for medical expenses, the only account in the entire tax code with this specific triple benefit. Family contribution limit in 2025, $8,550. Number 4, tax loss harvesting. Selling underperforming investments at a loss to offset capital gains elsewhere in a portfolio. Alina and Marcus harvested $2,400 in losses from one position to offset gains from another, reducing their taxable investment income directly. Number 5, charitable bunching. Instead of donating $3,000 spread evenly across 3 years, below the standard deduction threshold each year, bunching all $9,000 into a single year allows itemizing that year, then reverting to the standard deduction for the following 2. Number 6, 529 education accounts. Tax-free growth for education expenses, and many states, including the one Alina and Marcus live in, offer an additional state tax deduction on contributions, stacking 2 benefits on one account. Number 7, rental property depreciation. For real estate investors, the tax code allows deducting a theoretical decline in a building's value from taxable income, even while the property is actually appreciating in real market value. Number 8, the long-term capital gains rate. Holding an investment over 1 year before selling drops the tax rate significantly compared to short-term gains, which are taxed as ordinary income at a meaningfully higher rate. Number 9, side income business deductions. Marcus does freelance consulting on weekends. Legitimate deductions for a home office portion, mileage, and equipment reduced his side income's taxable portion by roughly 18% last year. Number 10, the securities-backed line of credit. For those with a substantial investment portfolio, borrowing against it instead of selling avoids triggering a taxable capital gains event entirely. The mechanism behind most billionaires pay almost no tax headlines, available in smaller form to regular investors too. Alina and Marcus's actual combined shelter. The 401k match for both of them, $4,800 sheltered annually. Roth IRA for both maxed, $14,000 sheltered. HSA for the family, partial contribution, $3,400 sheltered. Tax loss harvesting, roughly $2,400 offset. Total, roughly $24,600. None of this required a tax attorney or an offshore account. It required opening a Roth IRA at a brokerage, checking a box on a benefits enrollment form, and one conversation with an accountant about harvesting a loss. The secret weapon. The stacking order that maximizes everything. Here's the sequence that captures the most value with the least complexity for almost any household. Max the employer match first, it's a guaranteed 100% return, then fully fund an HSA if eligible, the only triple tax advantaged account that exists, then max a Roth IRA. For a typical dual income household doing all three, roughly $2,880 in employer match, $8,550 in HSA contributions, and $14,000 in Roth contributions, over $25,000 sheltered from taxes or growing completely tax-free. Before touching a single advanced strategy like depreciation or a securities-backed line of credit. The takeaway: the wealthy do not have secret access to a different tax code. They have information, specifically the habit of actually using every account and election already available to them. Alina and Marcus didn't need a higher income to shelter $22,000. They needed one conversation and about 3 hours of paperwork to activate accounts that had been sitting unused the entire time.